The purpose for us today hanging out is to talk about the Pacific General Assembly, the process that we had in terms of right from the beginning, the turo, the entrance, right up into the AVA ceremony, all of that. Lemoa, can I just ask you a question? In terms of AVA ceremonies themselves, because we know that it's something that we share with Tonga, Fiji, and all the other Pacific Islands. What is your quickest summation of how the AVA ceremony exists in each of these cultures based on the counseling and the advisory role that you do in the university and in general?
Well, firstly, the differences are very, they have their own unique approach and their own understanding of how it's presented. There's no noise in the Yangon, being told that when they hear us speak, it's too loud for them. That is a real sacred process for the Fijians. Tongans, there's Kava, where there's a lot of singing, but then the AVA ceremony, for what I've seen in terms of kings and the royal family, it's also a very sacred process, and the circle is quite evident as who is it being presented to, especially for the royal family. It's quite clear too, it's like a semicircle of nobles, similar to the Angona process, which is quite separate from the tambua or from the tānoa back from the komitea. The only likelihood I could, or the resemblance I can see in the Samoan culture, will have a whātupu, which is again the clear line between our tuiatua or tuiaana or any of the whaiwha titles, and it's separate from those who are distributing the AVA or the orators that are all facing towards the king. But despite those differences, what I see in the similarities is the value systems, values of tautua, the values of alofa, the values of whāaloalo. It is existent in most of these Pacific cultures that they practice, that to ensure that the ceremony honors the wā, the ceremony upholds and maintains the wā, and ensures that those of the royal connection and those of us at the tautua level, we can maintain the respect and the alofa, or the love, as well as maintain all of those significant values that we hold dear. And then in the ceremonial process, the AVA is consumed, and it's a form of connection. It's a form of trying to ensure that we are all reconnecting and we're all drinking out of the one tānoa.